First, I decided the direction in which I want my oblate shape bob to be. So I am blow drying the hair so that the hair is directed towards the right hand side. And now we will now micro crimp it, and I'm using my micro crimper. You can use any kind of micro crimping tool as long as it doesn't leave a mark. The reason we are using micro crimper is because the hair is really short and it's thin. So we are doing micro crimping all throughout your hair. Once